Hey guys, I'm back with the PYQ based question for the exam AWES, which is going to, held tentatively in the month of September. So I hope your preparations are going well. Today our topic is cardiac cycle, heart and body fluids. अगर आपको इस टॉपिक में कोई डाउट है तो इसका लिंक ऑलरेडी बिंग डिस्कस्ड है, इसका जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे रखा है, तो आप चेक कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे जा करके. For now, let's start the questions discussion. So this is the first question of the day. It is simply asking that which of the following has the highest partial pressure of oxygen? Partial pressure means concentration. So out of these four options, where we have the highest concentration of oxygen. So our human heart is conical and muscular in shape and it has four chambers. ठीक है, यहाँ पे right atrium होता है, right ventricle होता है, लेफ्ट एट्रियम होता है, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल होता है. ठीक है, राइट एट्रियम में डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आते हैं, लेफ्ट एट्रियम में ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आते हैं. और ये ब्लड पल्मोनरी वेन के थ्रू आता है, यहाँ पे ब्लड वेना कावा के थ्रू आता है. तो यहाँ पे पल्मोनरी आर्टरी इट इज आस्किंग. पल्मोनरी आर्टरी तो डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड को कैरी करता है फ्रॉम राइट वेंट्रिकल. यहाँ से पल्मोनरी आर्टरी डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड को लेके जाता है लंग्स में. ठीक है, तो पल्मोनरी आर्टरी तो नहीं होगा, राइट एट्रियम में नहीं होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आ रही है. राइट वेंट्रिकल भी नहीं होगा. सो तो यहाँ पे क्लियर आंसर है पल्मोनरी वेन, क्योंकि डायरेक्टली लंग से फ्रेश ब्लड को लेके आ रहा है लेफ्ट एट्रियम में. आई होप दैट्स क्लियर. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. In ECG, the QRS complex. So if you remember the diagram of ECG, and I have also my video. This is a P wave, this is your QRS wave, and like that, right? So it's Q, R and S. This is your P and this is the T wave. So the QRS is a complex that determines the depolarization of the ventricles. Now depolarization means systole, contraction, systole of ventricles. Fine, let's go further. The lub sound of the heart. So okay, if you remember, in the human heart we have the chambers and the lub and the dub sound created. These are the four chambers, right? So one sound is created over here, which is atrioventricular valve, right? Atriums to ventricle. The valve that is present is called atrioventricular valve. So here you get one sound, and another sound you get is over here, aorta and pulmonary artery, right? So lub is our first sound that is created over here, and dub is another sound that is created in your semilunar valve. So closure of semilunar valve, no, here if the semilunar valve closes, you hear the dub sound. Closure of atrioventricular valve will give you the lub sound. Okay, so yeah, so option B is the correct answer. Which blood component is responsible for blood clotting? So blood clotting, it is asking blood component. जो प्रोटीन तो ये सारे इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, प्रोथ्रोम्बिन, थ्रोम्बिन एंड फाइब्रिन, बट द ब्लड component that is involved over here is the platelets. So the answer is platelet. Let's move to the next. The cardiac output of a person with a heart rate of 72 per minute and a stroke volume of 70 ml. So stroke volume represents the blood, the volume of blood that comes out by the ventricles in one beat. So when we take one heartbeat, that we take in 0.1 second, right? That is what a stroke volume is, that happen in 0.8 seconds. And cardiac output is that how much blood is being come out by the ventricles in 1 minute, that is in 60 seconds. You know, in 60 seconds we have 72 approximately heartbeat. And this cardiac output also help us to understand that whether my heart is working sufficiently enough or not. ठीक है, तो कार्डियक आउटपुट जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये हेल्प करता है, ये बताता है कि हमारा हार्ट कैसा काम कर रहा है. कार्डियक आउटपुट का फाइंड करने का फॉर्मूला है, यू नो, stroke volume multiplied to the heart rate. So here the stroke volume is given, which is 70 ml, and the heart rate is given 75. Now see, here it is given in ml and it is the answer, it is asking in liter. So you have to divide it by 1000 to convert it into liter. So the answer over here will be B, 5.25 liter. Okay, fine. So let's go with the next question. So we have done 5 questions so far. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can ask in the chat box or comment. The bundle of His is located. Okay, bundle of His is very important, क्योंकि electrical activity जो heart में होती है हमारे, वो bundle of His control करता है. Again हमारे heart में 4 chambers है. यहाँ पे right atrium है. In the right atrium itself, you will find few things. That is, you will find SA node over here. This is your SA node that generates the impulse, and this is your AV node. So SA node will generate the impulse and send it to the AV node. Then AV node will send it to the bundle of His, which is present over here. This dark thing is the bundle of His, this one. Okay. And this bundle of His then send it to the little thin fibers or nerves, which are called Purkinje fibers, right? So the signal I'm showing with the yellow color. So it goes from AV node. This is your, okay, first let me write, this is your SA node and this is your AV node, this green one. This green one is AV node. Okay, and this blue one is bundle of His. Bundle of His, right? So the bundle of His is located where? In the interventricular septum. This is your septum that divide the heart. So the answer over here will be B. Then which of the following statement is correct about the cardiac cycle? इसके एक फुल वीडियो मैंने बना रखी है ऑन द कार्डियक साइकिल एंड ECG. अगर आप देखेंगे तो इसमें वेंट्रिकुलर डायस्टोल कम्प्लीटली ओवरलैप कर जाता है एट्रियल सिस्टोल को. देयरफॉर जब ECG बनता है तो हमें एट्रियल सिस्टोल नहीं दिखता है, एट्रियल सिस्टोल का ग्राफ नहीं बनता, बिकॉज इट गेट ओवरलैप बाय द वेंट्रिकल डायस्टोल. सो ऑप्शन डी विल बी करेक्ट. Which valve prevents backflow of blood from left ventricle to left atrium? Left side. This is your heart, atrium and ventricle. Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. So here is the valve present and here is the valve present, right? So it is asking about this valve. that prevents. Yeah, so it is asking for this valve that prevents from left backflow of blood, so the blood doesn't go back into this. So this, the name of this valve is bicuspid valve. Another name is mitral valve. So you can revise it. This is the easiest question of the day. Normal systolic and diastolic pressure, it is 120 by 80. That is what our normal blood pressure in our body is. Then which of the following correctly represents the order of excitation in the heart? So this you can answer. We just now discuss from SN node to AV node, and from AV node it goes to the bundle of His, and then Purkinje fibers. So the answer B will be correct. So with this we have covered the circulatory system. Now we'll start with another topic, and we'll also do the PYQ of each topic that's being coming in our AWES exam. So make sure you prepare well, just revise and go through the videos. All videos are present on the channel BioPrix. Kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.